Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. We do a lot of unboxings on this channel, so I hope that you would stick around and hit that subscribe button if you do like what you see. So, first thing, I want to apologize that as soon as I sit down to film, of course somebody outside wants to turn their lawnmower on. So if you hear any lawnmower in the background, I'm sorry in advance. I know it's something that I can't help, but I just wanted to put that out there. Also, I think that I wanted to do a couple, just show you a couple things that I did get recently. A little tiny haul that I had picked up from QVC. So I am making 6 payments on it, but we'll do that at the end of the video. So today's video, we are doing the regular Ipsy Glam bag. Now this one is a $12 a month bag, and I've been getting this for probably 2 years now. Probably, maybe even more than that. I'm not sure. I would have to look, but this is a really good bag. I was getting it when it was $10 a bag, and I never have any complaints about it. The only thing I complain about is I don't know what to do with all these bags, because they come in little makeup bags, as you know. So I don't know what to do with all that stuff. This I did not open yet, but it was definitely open. So I hope everything is in there. I didn't even look. So everything better be in there, Mr. Postman. So let's go ahead and get into it, you guys. There are things on the outside, so that scares me. Oh, this is cute. I forgot that I did see this bag, but it's cuter in person than it is online. Wow. I think these are add-ons, so there's stuff in here. Okay, let me get rid of that. Yes, these are add-ons. I do remember getting this. Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask from Youth to the People Overnight Mask. I have not tried this product. Oh, such a big box for a little baby. Well, I mean, it's not really small, but apply at night. Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. MAQUI and vitamin C, squalene, hyaluronic acid. Guess that's the ingredients. Oh, and it is very yellow. And that smells, it smells good. I really like that. Okay. Okay. And I think I paid $3 for that. So that's pretty awesome. And a lip gel from Seraphine. And does it have a shade, or is it just, and again, these are add-ons. These were not in the box. Oh, that's pretty. Rose Current. So there's that. And I think, again, this was $3. Oh, it smells really good. Oh, that's pretty too. Yeah, that's really pretty. So there's that. Very pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna take the chance of it getting on my teeth. Every time I put gel or a gloss on, it gets all over my teeth. So hopefully that does not happen. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. This is nice. Okay, so moving on to the actual bag itself. This is freaking adorable. So as I was saying that I don't know what to do with the bags, this one I definitely will use. It is so pretty. It is like a very, kind of like a lilac-y purple maybe. And this thing is adorable. And it says Ipsy on there. And it feels like it actually is wood. Oh wow, and it opens really easily with that. Like really easy. So, okay. Let's see. So Full Bloom, and it says Mother Nature's finest work. It's time to fully embrace your natural and most gorgeous state, curves and all, and allow yourself to blossom. April 2020. And then we do have a little card with our stuff in there. And grow your beauty skills. Okay, so that's just save the date. Okay, so choice is on April 25th, and this is just website stuff. Find all at ipsy.com/blog. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. I'm excited. Roses are red, violets are blue. These 5 glam bag products, valued at $50+, were picked just for you. Really? Okay, well there you go. All right, so the first thing I am pulling out is a brush from a company I've never heard of, and I'm not sure that I can say the name, but let's show it to you before I butcher it. So there's that, and it is a little blending brush, does it say? Chiquita blending brush. All right, so it's Araceli Beauty Chiquita blending brush. Okay, so we all know I can't spell anything out. The only thing you need to pack on your eyeshadow like a pro. This flat oval shaped brush. It allows you to concentrate, build, and blend pigments onto your lids with ease. Not only are the bristles made of ultra soft nano cystic fibers, they're cruelty free and vegan too. And this is valued at $14 for this brush, which I guess is not that bad. It's kind of soft. I'll definitely give it a try. I like how it's like, it goes to a point and it's a little crease brush, because that'll work good for me. So, okay, not bad. There's the bag right there, actually, valued at $14, and the bag's $12, so can't go wrong there. All right, next thing is from Buxom. I haven't seen Buxom in the bags in a long time. I'm guessing this is a mascara. Let's see. All right, so yes, Buxom Cosmetics, Buxom, I swear to you, that's what it says. Buxom Cosmetics, Buxom. Lash volumizing mascara in blackest black. We wear mascara almost every day, so why not choose a healthy one? This volumizing formula has vitamins and antioxidants that nourish and condition your lashes. The unique hourglass shaped wand grips every lash last, while the patent leather pigments, okay, give them a sleek, glossy effect. The full-size version of this is $22. And of course, this is a deluxe size version. I'm not going to open it because I have plenty of mascaras open. Obviously, it says like an hourglass wand, so I'm guessing like the Too Faced mascara is probably what it looks like. And I was wrong about one thing. So this actually is in my, it's on my list. So maybe I didn't pick this. I thought I did. Maybe I didn't. So this says, get glowing while you sleep with this intensely hydrating overnight mask. It uses vitamin C squalene, which mimics skin's natural oils, and antioxidant-rich macai, I don't know, to brighten you up, help fade dark spots, improve elasticity, and even out your skin tone for a beautiful complexion. And the tip says, apply an even layer to skin at night and catch some beauty sleep, okay? The full size is 59 milliliters and it's $48. And this is 15 milliliters. So I guess I didn't pick this. I could have swore I did. I remember seeing that on the add-ons, so, but okay. Anyway, moving on to the next item. This is heavy. Oh, it's a nail polish. Okay, so sometimes I like getting nail polishes, sometimes I don't. I'm pretty sure I have it marked not to get them on my profile, but I still do. However, there are a couple of them that I really, really like. Like there was this NCLS, I think it was, a bright pink one that we got last year, and I absolutely love it. So, I mean, it's a hit or miss with nail polishes. However, this one looks really nice. It's almost like the color that I'm wearing. And it's Helios, never heard of it. And it says smart nail polish. So I don't know what's so smart about it, but let's see what it says. Okay, so Helios Livin' Lovely Nail Polish. We're fully embracing spring's lighter color palettes with this perfect warm tone orchid shade. This smart formula has a photo indicator that cures polish in natural light. No need for UV or LED lamp. And dries it to a smooth gel-like finish. Plus the long wear formula lasts up for 10 days. And it also says for the tip, in a rush, dip polished nails into ice cold water for 10 seconds to speed up drying time. I've tried that. I don't think it works, but leave a comment down below if you've tried that and it worked for you, but it doesn't work for me. And this is full size at $12.50. So let's see what the color actually looks like. Oh, it's actually a big size too. So there is the color. It is kind of pretty. So, and I like the I really like the presentation of this. Okay, and it's actually a nice wand on there, so. Okay, I'll definitely give this a try for sure because it's pretty much the color I'm wearing right now. All right, next product in the last product in the bag is Oatmeal Face Scrub from Thann. Is that T-H-A-N-N? I guess Thann. So Thann Oatmeal Face Scrub. When dead skin cells build up, they can seriously dull your glow. Exfoliating is a surefire way to get your skin smooth, clean, and lumptuous. Okay. This non-abrasive scrub uses oatmeal and apricot seeds to buff away dirt and debris and organic coconut oil to deeply moisturize. The full-size version is 100 grams and it is $42. This is 15 grams, so significantly smaller, but let's see, is it sealed? I have enough scrubs, so this will go, yeah, it is sealed, so this will go into a future giveaway, because I have so many scrubs. If you guys, oh, it actually has an expiration date on it too. You don't never see that. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to stop in my tracks. I don't know if you can, if it'll focus on that, but there you go. There's the expiration date, so it is in year 22, wait a minute. I don't know what that means. So I'm guessing 2022. I don't know. So I'm guessing it's November 23rd of 2022. I'm in America, so that's not the way we do it. But anyway, I digress. So anyway, I do have a lot of scrubs. Everybody that gets subscription boxes have plenty of scrubs, so this definitely will go into a future giveaway, and oatmeal is very good for your face. So let's go ahead and recap this bag. Not mad at it. Again, $12. This bag is super cute, so I mean, I definitely will be using this. All right, so we have our bag, obviously, the scrub, a nice little crease brush. I don't know, we'll see. We have a mascara, which they're great, and it's buxom, and they're great for traveling. We have the sleeping mask that I thought I added on, and we have a purple nail polish. Not their best box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. Not their best box ever, but again, you're only paying $12, so you have a youth to the people, you have buxom, you have a tool. Nail polish, some people really don't like getting it, and some people are like me, and then there's some people that love it, so I mean, can't go wrong, I guess. Anyway, there's our 5 products. If you guys get Ipsy, let me know what you guys got in your glam bag, because there are so many different variations of it, and I would like to see what everybody else gets. So please leave that down in the comment section below. Now, as I said before, I had a little tiny haul that I know I shouldn't be spending money right now, but I'm paying 6 easy payments on it, so it was like $6 a month or something. I am a Too Faced lover. I love Too Faced. This is what I'm wearing on my eyes today. And it's the new Papaya Pop palette. I love the other two. They're gorgeous. And I wear them a lot. So when I seen this, I had to get it. And it smells delicious. Oh, it smells so good. So there are your colors. And they are so pretty, you guys. Like, I pretty much used every color in this palette. So I think I did use, I used every single color in this today. So, I mean, there's probably only like 2 or 3 looks that you can get with this palette, but I like this one probably better than the pineapple one. So I'm not mad about it. And then I also got 2 lip injections because I've never had them. Like, this is the first time I've ever got any of the Too Faced lip injections, and I've heard so many stories on how bad they hurt, So I was intrigued. So I definitely went and got the Lip Injection Extreme, and these came together. I don't remember how much they were, but this one's just the clear one, and I don't think it hurts that bad. I put them on this morning and tried them out, and I didn't really feel like it was bad. I've had worse, like the NYX filler one. Oh my gosh, that stings. And then this is in Strawberry Kiss. To me, it looks more like an oil on your lips. But so there's my little tiny baby quarantine haul. And I also did get add-ons from Boxy today, so stay tuned for that. But thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye.